If you've been using Firefox and want to move your bookmarks over to Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to import and transfer bookmarks from Firefox to Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you've just switched browsers, set up a new computer, or you want all your favorite sites available in one place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome has a built-in import feature, so you do not need any extra software or complicated tools. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access settings, bookmarks, and other browser tools. From the menu, hover over or click Bookmarks and Lists, then choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. This will open Chrome's import tool, which is designed to bring data over from other browsers like Firefox. It's a very easy process, and Chrome makes it straightforward. Now you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and select Mozilla Firefox. Chrome will detect that you want to import from Firefox and prepare the transfer options. This is the step that connects the two browsers so Chrome knows exactly where to pull your data from. Next, choose what you want to import. You can select bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and search engines. If all you want is your bookmarks, you can leave the other options unchecked. That way, only your saved Firefox bookmarks get transferred into Chrome. This is useful if you want a clean bookmark-only import without bringing over anything else. Once you've selected your options, click Import. Chrome will begin transferring the selected data from Firefox. Depending on how many bookmarks or other items you have, it may take a few seconds. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation that your data has been imported successfully. After that, check your Bookmarks bar or Bookmark Manager in Chrome to make sure everything came across correctly. If your bookmarks were organized into folders in Firefox, Chrome should bring those over too. That means your favorite websites, saved folders, and important pages can now be accessed right inside Chrome without having to add them manually. And that's it. You've successfully imported and transferred bookmarks from Firefox to Chrome. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and make switching browsers much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.